hotties, happy new year from me and Suki. Oh, it's kind of early right now, that's why I look like this and my voice is a little bit scratchy. We're starting this year off right with being productive and getting a lot of things done in a day. This video is basically part 2 of my little glow up 2023 series. My last video was more of a mental kind of preparation, which I think is very important to make 2023 your best year yet, but also it doesn't hurt to feel sexy and hot the whole year too, right? For me, feeling beautiful on the outside, you know, being clean, taking care of yourself, I think that's so important as well. But yeah, I'm gonna go take a shower right now because I feel so crusty and dusty and icky, and this is not the energy we're bringing in to 2023. I didn't use conditioner in the shower and I'll show you why later, but right now I'm using the little wet brush and really gently trying to brush my hair because y'all, this color is it, right? Like, we love the orange. Of course, it requires bleach and everything like that, so my hair is so fragile. So I have to be really gentle with it, especially when it's wet. I'm getting my hair done in a couple of days, so to prep for that, I use this product right here. It's called K18 and it's a leave-in molecular repair hair mask. So it really gets into your hair molecules and tries to rebond them. And you're not supposed to use conditioner prior to this, that's why I didn't do that. But I think using a hair mask like this is really good for when you're about to do some damage to your hair in the future. So I just take some and go in. So yeah, having this hair color is so nice. I love it so much, but it is a lot of maintenance. Like, you have to constantly be taking care of your hair. So be aware of that if you want to bleach and dye your hair, okay? Y'all, I'm so excited to get my nails done today. I'm trying something new. I've always had pretty long nails, usually stiletto. I mean, I got these stiletto, but then a few weeks later, I actually cut them to make them coffin shape and they look really bad. This one broke, so I had to cut it off. This one is hanging on for dear life. They're also hella grown out, so I'm just so excited to have a little refresh in my nails because I love these so much. And I thought I would go for a shorter look this time. I've never done that before. Don't get me wrong, I love long nails. I feel like such a baddie. I love going like this, but the inconvenience of long nails is kind of getting to me. It's been a while, so I feel like going for a shorter look would be really cool to start off the new year, and worst case scenario, I don't like it and the next time I can go long. Bye, baby.
J'avoue, j'en ai bavé, pas vous, mon amour. Avant d'avoir eu vent de vous, mon amour. Ne vous déplaise en dansant la javanette. Nous nous aimions.
Hotties, my nails are done. Ta-da! Aren't they so beautiful? The shape and length is a lot different. I'm gonna do a close-up right now. I got airbrush stars with rhinestones. I think it's pretty simple, but still really interesting to look at, and you can see that there's little glitters in them as well. But I love them so much. I think they're really nice, and I'm excited to do things with them because they're still kind of long, but not too much, you know? Also, you can see I'm in the driver's seat today, and one of my big New Year's resolutions is to drive more. I talk about my driving anxiety all the time, and today, it started raining, so I think Mother Nature is crying tears of joy. She's so excited that I'm trying to be more comfortable with driving because it's something that I've just been working towards because I know I can do it. I think it's just the unpredictability of other people, but I have to be okay with not being in control all the time and just being able to adapt to situations when I need to. So for today's nail appointment and for my hair appointment, I deliberately scheduled them when Martin or no one else could drive me, so I really had to get my ass behind the wheel deal and do it. It's kind of sad that I had to do it like that, but I'm celebrating the small little wins, you know? I saw a TikTok about doing things that you're anxious about, and if you continually not allow yourself to do that thing because you're scared, your brain will just see that as complete danger and it will give you more anxiety, so it can prevent you from actually doing the thing. So if you keep doing that, it builds up. So right now I'm doing a little things. I drove 25 minutes to this nail appointment, went on the highway, it was raining, and I'm still okay, and I'm ready to go home because I'm so tired. This weather is so gloomy, but I still have a full day to go. But yeah, I'm pretty proud of myself. Woohoo! I'm about to go get my hair done. Whenever I go though, I usually like go in with a full face of makeup just to make sure I like it, but today I kind of woke up late, so we're rushing a bit. My roots are pretty grown out and my hair's faded, so let's go. Do you guys like my new hair color? My hairstylist called it Bropper, and I thought that was really cute. It's a brown and copper. I would say that this is definitely more brown than what I usually go for, and I really like it. I think it's a really good change, but not too much, you know. I love having copper hair. I think it is my personality trait. Like, it's so me. It's really frizzy right now though because I had beach waves and then I brushed them out. But right now I thought I would show you guys my skincare routine, and this is completely unsponsored, by the way. And I'm including this because yeah, like if you have really nice and smooth skin, your makeup on top of it is going to look so nice and glowy. But I also think it's really important when you're trying to glow up to be able to take time for yourself and do a little skincare routine, you know, like take that 10 minutes just to take care of yourself. I think that could really help with your mental state as well. I've been starting off with a really gentle exfoliant, and this is the kind that you can use every single day. I like using that in the morning because I feel really crusty when I wake up, but at nighttime I'll wash my face with a normal gentle foamy cleanser. I just got this Glow Recipe toner for Christmas and I really like it. It smells like cucumbers. I just take some right here and then I'll just put it on my face. A big thing for skincare is just letting it settle in your face before you layer more stuff on it, because you don't want it to all get muddled up. You want it to soak into your skin, each one at a time. Then I'm gonna go in with the CosRX Snail Mucin Essence. It's so goopy and fun. Make sure you bring all your skincare down to your neck as well, because that's so important too. If I'm feeling a little extra, I'll go in with the Peach and Lily Glass Skin Serum. It's really cooling and light. On days where I feel like I need that extra glow, I'll go in with the Glow Recipe Dew Drops, and I really love this stuff. I feel like it makes my base makeup look smoother and I just look so glowy but not oily, you know? I have combo skin, so I was kind of nervous of trying this product because I thought it'd make me look too oily, but no, I think I just look glowy. And then I'm going in with my favorite moisturizer from Peach and Lily. It's a gel consistency and I really like it. Don't forget to put your sunscreen on either. I do that later when I do my makeup. That's basically all the products I use in the morning when I have a lot of time and I just want to spend a lot of time doing my skincare. But if I'm in a rush and I just need to get out quickly, I'll honestly just put on the toner right here, then I'll put on the glass serum, and then I'll finish it off with moisturizer. Super easy, just 3 steps. It is so common to have working out as part of your New Year's resolutions, and that's part of mine as well. But I'm putting it in the context of I want to move my body more and I want to feel healthier and stronger. Whether that's taking the stairs instead of the elevator, you know, taking little hot girl walks and fun little at-home workouts. I found that I am not a gym person. I've tried to go on the treadmill, I've tried to go to the gym. It's just not my vibe. I just don't feel comfortable there. Sometimes I'll go there if I'm feeling in the mood, but most days I just don't like it, okay? It's honestly the hard truth that if you're working out and your heart rate is pumping up, that you feel better about yourself. I think having that mind-body connection is really, really important. For when you have really big goals and dreams, I think we can't neglect our health. Pilates has been all the rage lately and I really, really like it. And I also really like yoga. So let's work out a little bit together. But first, I gotta get out of this really cute outfit that I'm wearing right now and get into my Pilates princess uniform on, you know?
Never ever meant to be so sour, baby. Running out of steam every day be the same. Living like this, testing all my patience.
I'm all changed and I love wearing like a little matching set. It really gets me in the mood to move my body and have fun. I have the video up here. I have lots of room to work out. So let's go.
They all want something now. I don't got the time to go and fuck around.
That was such a good workout. My heart's pumping, my booty feels tight, and yeah, that was so nice. I really like that. This year I really want to eat healthier and more mindfully, so this is dinner for the night. It's salmon covered in furikake with rice and also some veggies. I love veggies. This year I really, really want to try to cook more. I think cooking is really fun, but it's pretty daunting to me, and this is literally one of the only things I can cook because literally you just throw it in the air fryer, but it's still really nice and yummy. But yeah, I just want to treat my body better this year and feed it nutrients that it really needs and not eat out so much. I mean, I love eating out, don't get me wrong, but I think I have this really, really nice kitchen. I should be using it more, right? But yeah, I'm gonna eat dinner and end this video. I hope you enjoyed. 2023 is going to be our year, y'all. We're gonna go into it looking hot and sexy, feeling hot and sexy. Let's go. I love you so, so much, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.